Every great AI build starts with a powerful foundation. Enter the ASUS Pro WS W890-SAGE. Designed for extreme scalability, it's the ultimate platform for pushing open source AI to its limits. And that matters because running AI locally is becoming a game changer. It cuts down on cloud costs and gives you full control over your privacy. But building truly capable, autonomous AI agents takes more than just software. It starts with the right foundation. Today, we're building that foundation and showing you how to install OpenClaw to run your own local agentic AI assistant on Windows for both AMD's ROCm stack and NVIDIA's CUDA-powered GPUs. Let's get started. First, we need to make sure we have the latest drivers installed. Let's start with AMD. Head over to the AMD GPU drivers page. Then, download and install the latest drivers for the respective GPU. For NVIDIA GPUs, we'll do the same thing. Navigate to the NVIDIA driver page, locate and install the latest drivers for the respective GPU. Once we've ensured the latest drivers are installed on the system, let's install Ollama so we can run and manage our LLMs locally. Head over to the Ollama website and under Windows, copy the provided code. Next, we want to open up Windows PowerShell and paste the code we just copied and press Enter. Once we do that, Ollama will begin to download and install a complete local runtime environment that will help manage and run LLMs entirely on device. Once the download and install are completed, we will be prompted to run Ollama. Before we do this though, let's pull an LLM to use. In the terminal, we will type Ollama pull, then the model name you want to use. In this example, we're going to use Qwen 3.5 35B-A3B. After we have the LLM installed, run the command Ollama to launch. Once the command is initiated, we see a list of actions we can take. Select Launch OpenClaw. After we select Launch OpenClaw, we will see another list that contains models that we can choose from. Since we're running a local AI agent, we want to load the Qwen 3.5 model we downloaded earlier. You can see any local models available at the bottom of the list here. But before continuing, please be aware of OpenClaw's security disclaimer. Once you accept it, OpenClaw will start the install with your selected LLM. You will know the installation is complete when you see the text-based user interface appear. This is where you can prompt OpenClaw and use it as a localized chatbot. At this point, the installation is complete and OpenClaw is ready to use. In these examples, you can see our prompt and the response OpenClaw returned. With the ASUS Pro WS W890-SAGE as your foundation and OpenClaw up and running, you've got a powerful, private, and fully scalable AI assistant right on your own machine, and it's yours to build on.